Hello, friends. How are you? This is Miss Lopez, and today I want to share with you the book There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems from the series of Elephant and Piggy. The reason I picked this book is because I want to find out what is this little bird doing on Gerald's head. Oh, do you think he's going to hurt him? Let's find out. They're just meditating. There comes the bird. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes! There is a bird on your head! There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Gerald is not happy. How would you feel, friends? What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They're love birds. Oh, look at this one over here. He's blowing kisses to this one over here. Bye, bye. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Guys, look at them. Piggy's right. They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why will two birds make a nest on my head? Ay. Look at them. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Now you see, Piggy is too small to see all the way over here. So Gerald is going to help her so she can check for him. Are there eggs on Gerald's head? I think so. How many? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I don't want three eggs on my head. Oh, then I have good news for you. What kind of news are those? The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching is when the eggs start cracking and the little bird from inside the egg comes out. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Poor Gerald, he's so scared. Oh, look at the little birds. They're singing already. They have hatched. Now, why is Piggy crying? Wasn't she so happy before? You're right. Those are tears of joy. Now I have three baby chicks on my head and two birds and a nest. I don't want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want him? Somewhere else! Somewhere else! Oh, Gerald, be careful. You're gonna hurt the baby chicks. And Piggy. Are they okay? They landed right back on Gerald's head. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. What do you think, friends? Is that gonna work for Gerald? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. They didn't mind that. It worked. Bye. They're moving out of Gerald's head. Where are they gonna go now? Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Uh-oh. Guys, they moved out of Gerald's head over to Piggy's head. Uh-oh, now she's not happy. How do you think she's gonna handle that? The end. I really liked that book. I hope you guys liked it. I'm so happy that the bird didn't hurt Gerald. They're gonna be okay. Thank you guys, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.